Here we have a Range Rover Autobiography in silicon silver. This is a 4.4 V8 diesel. You have privacy glass, 22-inch diamond turned alloys. You also have a powered tailgate, which is handy if you have your hands full. Plenty of space there for all your personal items. You also have keyless entry, and going into the back of the vehicle you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal if you have younger children. And then going into the front of the car, you have illuminated Autobiography tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. A front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. A 10-inch touchscreen with different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting with several different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially in the dark. A sat nav with a wide view map, which is handy. You also have Bluetooth to connect your phone and a rear view camera with 360-degree option, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel, and you also have speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is handy for long journeys, making it safer and easier. A heated steering wheel, which is a luxury in the winter, along with heated and cooled front seats, which is handy for winter and summer. And you also have a massage setting with various different options, which is a luxury to have. The seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the vehicle. And you also have a Meridian sound system. This car's done 13,416 miles. And you also have an interactive driver display with several different layout options depending on your preference. This car also has head-up display, which is great as it stops you getting distracted looking back down. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the lovely Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.